Welcome back, all the awesome parents and curious kids tuning in. Education is a lot like a GPS. Sometimes it guides you in the right direction, and other times, you end up on the road to nowhere, wondering how you got there. But no worries, we've got you covered. Today, we are going to talk about something very close to your heart and your wallet, the world of commerce degrees and career options. As usual, practice deep breathing while listening to feel better and healthy. Your first-time college-going kid needs your wisdom now more than ever. It's time to talk about something you can't afford to leave to Google alone. And here's the thing, there's one skill we really need to pass down to them. And that's the fine art of career navigation. Whether it's BCom, CA, or something fancy like BBA or MBA, you've already walked the path of education and the career jungle. You've been through the sleepless nights, the career confusion, and yes, that one weird semester when you still weren't sure what corporate finance even meant. Well, now, it's your turn to be the map for your child. But don't worry, we've got a little roadmap of our own here, so you can confidently guide them through their college journey. Let's talk about the fabulous world of commerce degrees. Now, we are talking about careers where numbers, analysis, and a bit of sharp wit go a long way. From accountants to analysts, you can rest assured that there's something for everyone. We've got more in store for you, and trust me, your child will thank you later. Here's an overview of some popular commerce and management-related degrees, their career prospects, duration, approximate costs, industries hiring graduates, and expected salaries. 1. BCom, Bachelor of Commerce. A widely pursued undergraduate degree. BCom prepares students for roles such as accountant, financial analyst, tax consultant, and auditor. It takes 3 years to complete and costs between 30,000 to 1 lakh. Graduates find opportunities in accounting firms like Deloitte and PwC, banks like HDFC and ICICI, and tax consultancy firms. Entry-level salaries range from 3 to 6 lakhs per annum, while experienced professionals can earn 8 plus lakhs per annum. 2. BBA, Bachelor of Business Administration. This degree is designed for those interested in management roles such as business manager, marketing executive, and HR manager. A 3-year program, it costs around 50,000 to 1,50,000. Graduates are recruited by MNCs like TCS and Infosys, as well as FMCG giants such as HUL and Nestle. Freshers can expect salaries of 4 to 7 lakhs per annum, with experienced professionals earning 10 plus lakhs per annum. 3. CA, Chartered Accountant. A prestigious professional qualification, CA takes around 3 to 4 years and costs between 75,000 to 2 lakhs. Chartered accountants work as tax consultants, forensic auditors, and finance professionals in accounting firms, corporate companies, and government departments. Entry-level salaries range from 6 to 12 lakhs per annum, while experienced cars can earn 20 plus lakhs per annum. 4. BMS, Bachelor of Management Studies. Ideal for those aspiring to work in management, BMS is a 3-year program with a fee structure between 50,000 to 1 lakh. It opens doors to careers as operations managers, business consultants, and retail managers in retail chains like Reliance and DMart, as well as consulting firms like KPMG. Freshers earn 4 to 6 lakhs per annum, while experienced professionals can make 10 plus lakhs per annum. 5. BCom, Hons. A more specialized version of BCom, this degree is tailored for roles like corporate banker, business analyst, and auditor. It takes 3 years to complete and costs 40,000 to 1 lakh. Graduates find employment in banks like Axis and SBI and corporate firms such as Infosys and Tata. The salary package ranges from 4 to 7 lakhs per annum for freshers and 10 plus lakhs per annum for experienced professionals. 6. MBA, Master of Business Administration. A highly sought-after postgraduate degree, an MBA prepares candidates for leadership roles such as business strategist, marketing manager, and operations head. The 2-year program costs between 2 lakhs to 10 lakhs. Graduates are recruited by MNCs like Google and Apple, as well as consulting firms like BCG and McKinsey. Entry-level salaries start at 8 to 15 lakhs per annum, with experienced professionals earning 30 plus lakhs per annum. 7. BCA, Bachelor of Computer Applications. This degree is designed for individuals interested in IT and software development. It takes 3 years to complete and costs between 50,000 to 1,50,000. Career options include software developer, IT analyst, and web developer, with employment opportunities in tech firms like Wipro and Cognizant, as well as startups. Entry-level salaries range from 3 to 6 lakhs per annum, while experienced professionals can earn 8 plus lakhs per annum. Each of these degrees offers unique career paths, allowing students to choose a profession based on their interests, skills, and long-term aspirations. Whether you prefer finance, management, technology, or entrepreneurship, these programs provide a strong foundation for a promising career. Please note that these costs are approximate and may vary based on the institution, private or government, and location. Private colleges tend to have higher fees compared to government institutions. Also, salaries are based on the degree and industry. As you can see, the world of commerce has some pretty cool options. BCom is like the Swiss Army knife of degrees, you use it everywhere. From tax consultants to accountants, there's no shortage of opportunities. And for those who are looking to step up their game, consider options like BBA or MBA, which take you from entry level to CEO level in just a few years. Parents, you've already got so much experience under your belt. From understanding how to save a little extra in the monthly budget to finding a way to survive family gatherings without losing your sanity, you know the ropes. And that's why it's your job to explain the ins and outs of these degrees to your kids. After all, you want them to make wise choices, not just pick a degree based on what's trending on Instagram. So, what did we learn today? Commerce degrees are not just about sitting in a boring office crunching numbers, though that's still pretty cool, but about building the foundation for a solid career in industries like finance, marketing, and business management. And parents, never underestimate the power of your wisdom. You've got a whole treasure chest of life lessons to share with your kids. Plus, when they start earning that paycheck, you'll have even more reasons to celebrate. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and share with every parent you know. And don't forget to forward this video to help your kids make smarter career decisions. After all, we're in this together, helping the next generation build a bright future.